Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a vintage console radio with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 1x4 plate. I'm going to slide in a 1x2 plate on the right hand side, followed by 1x2 modified plate with slide and a 1x2 plate on the left hand side. Then a set of 1x1 round plates with 3.2 shaft. Place these in these 1x1 reveals, and then I'm going to crown this 1x4 plate off with another 1x4 plate. Place that right down on top. Then a 1x2 brick with 2 studs, followed by a set of 1x1 bricks on both sides. Now I'm going to slide in a set of warm gold radiator grills for a speaker grill right there, followed by a set of candlesticks. Place these right in this area. Right above the speaker, a 1x2 plate with slide, and I'm going to lock in our candlesticks with a set of rounded 1x2 plates. Place these right in here. Now we're going to build the bezel for the radio. We're going to take a 1x2 by 1 2/3 brick with 4 studs. I'm going to place a warm gold 1x2 plate on the bottom and a warm gold 1x2 jumper plate on the top. Then I'm going to take a 1/4 round transparent clear 1x1 flat tile, place it as shown where the corner is right in between these 2 studs. Then I'm going to take some dark brown studs. These are going to be our little control knobs. Set these right in here. Now I want to take the assembly and place it right on top of our 1x2 plate with slide. Next, take 3 rounded 1x2 plates. We're going to place these on top of one another. Make 2 of these. I'm going to set these right on top of the previous 1x2 rounded plates as shown. Finally, for the top of the rail, I'm going to take 4 1x1 bricks with bow. I'm going to place these right here. This will lock in the top portion of the console radio, and place these other 2 right here. Then I'm going to finish off that top with a 2x2 flat tile. Just press that down in there firm. I'm going to pinch this area here to complete the vintage console radio.